Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about control statements. Simple if statement checks the condition and executes the if block. Syntax for if statement can be seen on the screen. Example for simple if statement. If else statement checks the condition and executes the if block if the condition is valid. Else it executes else block. Syntax for if else can be seen on the screen. If elif statement checks the condition and executes the if block if the condition is valid. Else it goes through elif blocks and finally executes else block if all the conditions are false. Syntax for if elif statements can be seen on the screen. Thank you. See you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe.